In this video, we will show you step-by-step how to get listed as an international retailer. Topics we will cover: the buyer's stance, supplier training and registration, online visibility platforms, supplier selection process, which includes range review, benchmarking, commercial negotiation, and product setup. First, the buyer's stance. Throughout the listing process, we need to consider the buyer's stance. By doing this, you will be able to establish how you can help the buyer meet their targets. Will you drive more value than other brands? Will it drive more margin for the buyer? And is there a clear consumer demand for your brand? 2. Supplier training and registration. All supermarkets offer supplier training courses on an online supplier portal. For example, Tesco's training portal. These training portals are not only for existing suppliers, but for potential new suppliers as well. You can find the supermarket's training portal simply by searching on the internet, supermarket name, online supplier training. Your local Chamber of Commerce may be able to facilitate your access to this type of training portal. On the training portal will be instructions on how to sign up as a potential new supplier for the supermarket. 3. Using online visibility platforms. Online visibility platforms such as RangeMe offer multiple visibility programs that can showcase your products to relevant buyers in your category. RangeMe works by providing a free profile to highlight your brand's products and company information, making it easier for you to be discovered by potential buyers. This low-risk, low-outlay approach can potentially result in a high reward for new small suppliers looking to break into the market. Basic steps in a retailer's supplier selection process. Step 1. Range review. Supermarkets continuously analyze their product lines and identify gaps in the market. This is your access point into the process. They source new products through direct contact via their online supplier portals, through attending trade shows, customer feedback, and online research. Be proactive in presenting your product to meet their identified needs. Step 2. Benchmarking. If the retailer expresses interest in your product, they'll request product samples, data sheets, and technical specifications. This is your opportunity to showcase your capabilities. Engage with the buying team to discuss your offer and address any feedback they provide. Step 3. Commercial negotiation. The retailer will present you with a competitive commercial offer based on their requirements. Ensure that you can meet their terms and conditions. If you satisfy their criteria, you'll proceed to discuss a contractual agreement. Step 4. Product setup. Once the negotiation phase is complete, you'll sign the contractual agreement and your products will be listed in the supermarkets as per the agreed terms. From the range review to the product listing and launch, proactive engagement and meeting the buyer's terms and conditions are crucial. By understanding the process from the buyer's perspective, you can better prepare to help them achieve their targets and drive value for their business. Becoming a foreign supermarket supplier offers opportunities, but also challenges. The shifting consumer landscape and currency differences create a chance for foreign suppliers in discount grocery stores. However, entering international markets requires addressing of off-shelf support, distribution logistics, and competition. Small companies face additional hurdles, and knowing the market and having a solid business plan are essential. Meeting retailers' expectations and becoming a listed supplier can expand business reach. If you need help with your import-export business, contact us at 087 075 1415 or visit our website at tradelogistics.co.za. Thank you for watching.